Hej og velkommen. I dag skal vi spille Dying Light, som jeg har set lidt frem til. Det skulle være lidt ligesom Dead Island, har jeg hørt, men jeg er ikke sikker. Jeg ved ikke så meget om det, andet end der er noget parkour og nogle zombier i. Meget mere ved jeg ikke, men lad os prøve at hoppe ind i missionerne her og se, hvad det er for noget. Det ser meget godt ud umiddelbart.
HUD activated. Commence briefing. Data on the subject, Kadir Suleiman, a local political figure hired to maintain order after the outbreak. His brother Hassan died in a disease-related incident before we were able to evacuate him. Suleiman blamed the GRE for Hassan's death. He stole a highly sensitive file which became his bargaining chip against the GRE, with instructions to publicize it if anything happened to him. Data on the subject. The stolen file.
In 10 seconds.
It details the incomplete process of synthesizing a cure for the virus. If implemented in its current state, the produced substance may be extremely toxic.
Now.
Also, the file contains full description of the virion's structure. Any attempt to use it would result in countless lives lost. It must be recovered. Further information, current status. Suleiman sent the file to an associate unknown to us, with instructions to publicize it at his command at any time. To counter that, we instituted a citywide communication jam, preventing him from publicizing the file. Your GRE-issued radio can overcome that jamming. It is your lifeline. Do not lose it. Suleiman has since gone underground and begun using a different name. We have reason to believe he now leads one of the two main factions operating within the city. You are to find Suleiman and locate the stolen file in order to save mankind from a disaster of unprecedented proportions.
Okay. Der er ikke noget pres på ham, umiddelbart. Shit.
I told you that wasn't a normal drop shoot.
Break his legs, then take him to rise.
Back up! All of you!
Stop! Loud noises draw them. Fall back! Fall back!
Oh shit.
Come on! We have to move!
Let's get him off the street.
Det var to meget forskellige typer mennesker, man blev, men mødte inden for kort tid.
Get the door open!
Der røg han. Så løb dog for helvede.
Tower, this is Jade. Get sickbay ready. Got a guy with a bad head wound and a bite on one arm.
Oh shit, Amir's hurt.
No, Amir is gone. But I'm bringing in someone who might still survive.
One of us?
We'll see.
Det virkede ikke som om det gik helt efter planen. Okay. Så det er kun en enkelt by, der er blevet inficeret.
You pinch him. You're scared. I'm not scared. Then pinch him. He blinked. What? He blinked again! What if he's a zombie? Zombie! Run!
Og det ville være lidt ærgerligt allerede at dø. Okay. Hyggeligt lille sted. Det ser sgu da meget godt ud, synes jeg. Udmærket grafik. Den er lidt hurtig, den her. Jeg kunne forstå, at det er dem, der har lavet Dead Island, som der også har lavet den her. Eller det her. Og der er jo... Dead Island fik jo en del kritik, må man sige. Så nu må vi se, hvad det her... hvor godt det her er. Og jeg er lidt indrømme, jeg ikke ved særlig meget om det. Lad os se.
You sleep for 3 days like a dead man, then scare children. Off to a great start, 31.
Where am I?
In paradise, can't you see? Okay, enough joking around. Head to room 190. The boss will brief you.
What do you mean 31?
Ask the boss.
Go. Okay. Go see the boss in room eller andet. Så det er den her vej, eller hvad? Der er en lås på. Cykellås. Det er sikkerhed i høj kvalitet. Nå, så er det vel forbi her.
31, that's your number.
Tak for det nummer.
Excuse me?
Your number. You're the 31st infected. I'm the 18th. Everything is counted here. 1 fewer doses of antizin. 1 more new infected. 1 more runner gone. Infected and only 7 runners left.
Det er noget af nogle skeder, han har med den der. Kan jeg også være med? Ja, det er mig. Ej. Jeg kan ikke takle ham. Nej. Han er den nye Ronaldo.
Amir died because of this guy? Quiet. Oh, fuck quiet. Now he's gonna get Amir's antizin.
Og man kan snakke med folk.
Hey, where's room 190?
Upstairs.
Det er sjovt, at lige skal lave den zoom-effekten. Det er ham her, du snakker med. Sick bay.
And you are?
Crane. 31.
Oh, right. How's your head?
My head?
Got it. Listen up. Until the boss says so, you are not on the list. So go talk to him ASAP and let's get things moving. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Så lad os gå ovenpå. Jeg må sige, jeg troede ikke, at det var sådan en her type spil. Det virker meget rollespilsagtigt RPG.
I'm looking for the boss. Is he in there?
Oh, you're 31. Go on in.
Man kan få bekræftet det mange gange på vejen, skal jeg love for. At det er her, man skal ind. Så hvem er bossen? Interessant maskot.
Hey, I'm looking for the... Are you the boss?
What, am I too young? You got the problem with my age?
No, You wanted to talk to me?
That's better. Do you remember anything? Know what you are?
Yeah, I can see this is some kind of shelter.
We call it the Tower. Brecken and his runners put it all together a couple of months ago, and we've been here ever since. Hunting airdrops, scavenging, and rescuing people.
Yeah, I wanted to thank that girl.
Good, because if not for her, you'd already be chewing somebody's knee bone. Your Anderson was totally crushed, by the way. Only thing Jade could salvage was your radio.
Oh, great. So can I get that back, please?
Actually, I think I need it more than you do.
Believe me, pal, that's not the case.
Fine. Take it. You know why runners put their lives in danger? For guys like you. So now you take the Anderson meant for someone else, and you won't even share your gear with us? I don't have time to deal with your bullshit. I've lost contact with one of our guys thanks to the fucked up radios we're stuck with. Do something for me, would you? I don't want to see you or your precious radio anymore, so go be useful somewhere else. We don't tolerate lazy assholes here in the tower.
Hey, be fair. I'm not lazy. I'm just, hey, boss.
Save it. That last guy I mentioned, he's only on the 13th floor, but he might as well be trapped in a mine cave-in. Come back later. And I'm not the boss. Too young, remember? I'm Rahim. Brecken's in charge here.
Ja. Det virkede også lidt mærkeligt. Der var noget forkert ved det.
Lazy, you little shit.
Præcis. Så fandme ikke fortælle os, at vi er dovne, mand. Tjek for den. Okay, så nu skal jeg lede efter ham der.
Where do you think you're going?
13th floor. I'm getting some stuff for Rahim.
13? Shit. That's gonna be some dirty work. But we all got to pull our weight around here, huh?
Er det så slemt? Hvordan? Nå, firkant. Okay. Men vi kunne da sagtens komme op i tårnet, da jeg blev reddet. Man skal vel forbi. Okay.
Jesus. How many people died here?
Shit. Hvad fanden, hvordan er det, han går? Hvad fanden er der sket her?
Crane here.
Where were you? We've been waiting for your report. It's been over 70 hours.
I lost my radio for a while. Don't worry, my cover's intact. No contact with the tower's leader yet. Unable to confirm identity. I'm taking steps to blend in.
Acknowledged. Time is of the essence, Crane. Remember that.
There's one more thing. I got bitten. I've shown no symptoms, but the people here say I'm infected.
Then you'd better get your hands on some Anderson ASAP,
Help!
hadn't you?
Help! Somebody!
What the hell?
Ah, der lå lige sådan en. Så der er modgift. Vi kan sprinte her. Lad os se, hvad der er. Det er vel herinde. Der er en lommelygt. Kan jeg tage den? Så lyser jeg. Oh shit. Yes, that's what shit. Okay. Oh shit! Wow, den havde jeg ikke lige set komme. Splat.
Jesus, you alright, man?
I cut my arm, getting away from him. Oh, God. You had to kill him, didn't you? God damn it! That was my brother. I came down to see him and...
Easy. It's all right now. I'll get help. Hey, Rahim, this is Crane. I'm down here on 13. Listen, this guy of yours got fucked up pretty bad getting away from a zombie.
Oh shit. 31? You went after Mark? Is it safe down there?
Yeah, well, it's safe enough now.
Okay, don't move. I'm sending Lena downstairs.
Ja, okay. Det er utroligt så svagt deres kranier bliver, efter man bliver til en zombie. Så skal der altså ikke meget til for at splatte sådan i hovedet. Holy shit. Hvad der sket her, mand? Er der et eller andet, der er fløjet ind af væggen, eller skudt ud af, eller... Nå, lad os snakke med ham Mark der.
Hey, hold still. Lena will be here any minute.
Gauze. You've got to find some gauze. Oh, and alcohol. Combine them. That will stop the bleeding. Please hurry.
I try to stay calm, okay? I'll be right back.
Tænk nok, jeg skal ud og finde et eller andet. Okay, så jeg har en lommelygte. Super. Seriøst. Min overlevelsessans. Okay. Okay, der kan jeg ikke komme ind. Sådan en lidt sjov måde, han sagde, at jeg combine dem. Det er ikke lige normale sætninger, der siger. Kombinere dem. Og så kan du redde mig. Fuck, der er mange fluer. Bliver de aldrig inficeret? Hvad fanden var det? Okay. Min overlevelsessans. Køleskabet. God idé. Alt godt. Kan vi komme her? Nej. Den er blokeret. Hvad fanden er det, der siger sådan? Det er måske bare musikken. Og den er blokeret. Og så kan jeg ikke åbne den, når den er blokeret fra min side. Det giver mening. Jeg skal have noget at sige. Og jeg kunne sprinte her. Kan jeg komme ind? Det lader til, at det er de orange områder på kortet, jeg skal lede, tænker jeg. Jeg bruger min overlevelsessans. Selvfølgelig.
Okay, I think that's everything I'm gonna find. Let's give this a shot.
Elektronik. Hvad mere herinde? Kan man bruge det bare konstant, eller? Lad os se, om der er noget herinde. Kan man tage noget af det? Og den er godt nok lidt følsom. 2 sekunder. Så jeg lige om jeg kan sætte den lige lidt ned. Sådan der. Sådan der. Okay. Medkit. Så skal man bruge alkohol og forbindinger og gå ud fra der. Great. Sådan. Okay. Man kan lukke døren igen. Jeg troede, det var et skab eller noget. Fuck, der er mange fluer her. Bliver de ikke inficeret? Værsgo. Værsgo at overleve.
Okay, who's hurt?
He's bleeding pretty bad.
Let me see him. Gauze and alcohol, huh? Pretty primitive, but it'll work. Thanks for the help. I'll take care of him from here.
Ja, du må da undskylde, det var lidt primitivt, men... Jo, tak. Talk to Rahim. Det var ham, den unge der.
31. Not bad for a new guy. Perhaps I misjudged you.
I just want to help out and repay you guys for what you did for me.
Well, good. Come find me, and we'll talk about how you can do that.
Okay. Er det bare op her, eller hvad? Så de bor simpelthen lige over sådan en kirkegård nærmest. Det er jo også et sted at slå lejr. Hvad er det? Okay, det var her næst. Så her.
Alright, taken care of. Piece of cake. What else you got for me?
Well, let me think.
Rahim, you are just smart enough to be dangerous, you know that? Omar told me about your plans for the nest. Explosive charges? Really?
What? Explosives?
Oh,
I never
please.
said that.
You can't tell a convincing lie to save your life.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah? You think you can't die?
You're not my mom.
No, I'm not. Our mom's dead. So you might want to be a little nicer to me since I'm the only family you have left. Especially now that Amir is gone.
You're Jade, right?
Right.
I just wanted to thank you for what you did for me and tell you how sorry I am for your loss. I owe you and Amir my life.
Yeah, you do. You want to return the favor? Keep my dipshit brother from killing himself. No explosives, Rahim.
Check. Nå, jamen, jeg tror, jeg ender den her, eller det her afsnit for nu. Så må vi se, hvad der sker næste gang, hvad vi skal sendes ud på af missioner. Vi ses.